Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the essentials: stance, grip, and balance. Place your feet shoulder width with toes aimed at the rim so your hips and shoulders square up. This creates a direct line. Hold the ball in the shooting pocket with fingertips controlling it and about 0.5 to 1 cm wrist gap so you can snap cleanly. Now take 3 5-foot form shots, slow, controlled, so you learn the feel. Once done, keep reps short and intentional to ingrain muscle memory quickly. You move into refining the middle of your motion where games are won or lost. Tuck your elbow under the ball so the path is straight. That alignment prevents side spin. Use your legs, bend to about 45 degrees, and then extend in one fluid push. Power comes from your legs more than your arm, and that improves range and consistency. Practice catch-to-shoot reps and the chair drill at 75 to 90% game speed to sync timing, so your release is automatic under fatigue or pressure. You finish by translating practice into game-ready shooting. Gradually add distance, step back 2 to 4 feet after a set number of makes, while monitoring your arc and where the ball lands on the rim. Incorporate off-dribble and off-pass reps, and do repetitions under conditioning to mimic late-game fatigue. If something goes wrong, focus the correction. Low, flat shots need a higher arc. Inconsistent releases need slow-motion reps to rebuild timing. Make sure to track progress and adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.